Hey guys, today I'm going to talk to you about Jetstream. Jetstream is our technology that eliminates the lag when you're dealing with very large point clouds. Traditionally, I have a point cloud here, and I just imported a model space view from Cyclone. So this is without Jetstream. So you can see here, and this is not even a very large point cloud. I think it's 32 scans or something like this. So when I zoom in here, you'll see AutoCAD decimates it down so that it you're able to zoom in. But then you have to go ahead and click regenerate points, and down here it loads for a little bit, and then it basically brings all your detail in. So when you're dealing with a scan like this, maybe it's not such a big deal, but when you get into hundreds of scans and like well over 500 scans, the regenerating all the points can really take a lot of time. So Jetstream is the technology where that's just eliminated, so all the points are visible all the time. So I'm going to show you that. So what I have here is a point cloud in Register 360. It's the inside and outside of this house right here. And then when I go to finalize, you'll see I have two different Jetstream publish options. So there's a couple things you can do with Jetstream. First one I'm gonna check is Jetstream Enterprise, and Jetstream Enterprise is how you get these point clouds to your CAD system. So you install the Enterprise on either your own PC, or you'll install it on a server. So when you check this box, it'll publish your point cloud to either the server or the Jetstream local server. And then from here you'll be able to open up this cloud in your CAD system, either AutoCAD or Revit or whatever CAD system that you use. You'll also notice that there's a Jetstream local option here. So if I check that and choose a location, this will publish the point cloud to a JSV file, and this can be read in the Jetstream Viewer. I'm going to go ahead and publish these. Alright, so that just finished up, and it's now published the point cloud to the Jetstream storage location on my computer, and it's also published this separate .jsv file. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the Jetstream file in AutoCAD. So where it's so I'm going to go into Cloudworx, and I'm going to say open Jetstream, and this is where it's going to pull from that storage location on my computer or on the server if you installed Jetstream on your own server. So I can open up this Wilson house, and pretty immediately it's everything is there. So you can see I can zoom out, zoom in as fast as I want. Let's get a better view here. And you can see that I can zoom right in, and it maintains all the points. So you're able to see all the points all the time. And so this makes it really a lot easier to do your drawings and your models when you're moving around such a huge point cloud. You can really bring in billions and billions of points and have zero lag. The next thing I'm going to show you is the Jetstream Viewer. So this is a free application that anybody could download, and then they can open up this Jetstream Viewer file. If I go into my desktop, and like you could send them this JSV file, and then they could open it up, and immediately they have the entire point cloud. So Just like you have the ability to navigate this in Register 360, they would have the ability to bounce around this point cloud if they wanted to jump into the scan position here and see everything. There's a bunch of things they can do. They can take measurements, they can take screenshots or videos, they can fly around. There's also a Jetstream Viewer portable, which is something. It's a lightweight version of this, where it could be put on a thumb drive with the JSV file, and it'll run in the thumb drive. So there's no need to download anything. There's no need to install anything. All you have to do is unzip the application and open the JSV file. So there's a lot of power when it comes to Jetstream, both in the Jetstream Viewer and when you're integrating it in your CAD system. Alright, I hope that gives you guys a good idea of how Jetstream works and how it can really help you cut down the time that it takes to create these deliverables from your point clouds. If you have any questions, please let me know. Shoot me an email or leave it in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.